I've said many times on my channel that to me, technology, in a way, it's just toys for adults. And this kind of fits that perfectly, right? The DIVOOM Ditoo, this is a pixel art. It's a Bluetooth speaker. It can be used as a tool. It's a tabletop gaming retro PC. It's got mechanical keyboards on it. It's got a joystick on it. Overall, this thing is just a lot of fun. So let's take a look at it. Let's see what else came in the box. The DIVOOM Ditoo, again, a portable Bluetooth speaker that does serve a purpose and can be used for many, many things. It does have app support. Price on here, guys, around 89 bucks. And welcome to Digital Slang, the last video of 2020. Happy New Year's, guys. I hope everyone's staying safe. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe. Let's get into it. Let's take a look at see what else came in the packaging, right? It does come in a bag with the Ditoo on both sides, a picture of it. And you can see the retro pixel art portable speaker on here. And then it comes inside of this plastic carrying case. So very cool. Again, you guys know I'm a big fan of packaging that is really well done. It shows care. It shows that they care about their product. USB Type-C to charge. This is a braided cable, so props to them for that. We get some stickers, some pixel art stickers. I love DIVOOM. Very cool. And I have reviewed some of their products here before, and I'm just a huge fan of the company. They just make fun things. This idea, I think, is really good, and you'll see why I say that once we get into the app. I'm going to walk through the app with you, and we'll take a look at it. And we get the user's manual. And then here, we actually have the Ditoo. So tabletop portable Bluetooth speaker. Let's take a look at the build quality on here. Retro decor, classic PC build. You can see here. Listen to that sound. It's so enjoyable every time I click it. That's what you want when you're using a keyboard, right? Very satisfying click on there. Lots of travel and that sound and that feel. Fantastic. Check this out. We got the chrome joystick here. So very cool. The black. It is a plastic build, right? With a green accent, like a mint green accent. The pink key here and the chrome joystick. So on the side here, you can see this is your power button, how you turn it on and off. Your USB Type-C port. This is where you will charge it. And you can also throw an SD card in here if you want to just use it hands-free, not have to worry about, you know, it's a portable Bluetooth speaker, so you need your phone to play music and things like that. But you can throw an SD card in here with some songs on it and just play music that way. On the bottom here, you can see there is a QR code that will take you to the app. And then you have these 4 little knobs here to prevent it from sliding around. Up top here, this is where your music, this is your speaker on top. Your music will come upwards out of the Ditoo. And on the back here, there's just a little vent here. Some bass will come out of there. Not very bass heavy on here, but it is pretty good. So again, app controlled, and I'll show you the app. 3.5-inch LED display on here. 10-watt DSP Bluetooth speaker. And again, it's just a giant toy, right? It's a toy for adults. So I'm going to turn it on. We're going to go into the app and I'm going to show you how the app works. Let's get into it. First, we just want to power this guy on. So you're just going to hit this button over here. And you can see it does power on. The Ditoo on the front display. And again, this is a 3.55-inch LED screen, 10 watts of power in the Bluetooth speaker. And then you're going to go into the app, and I'll show you guys the app really quick. And the app is just called, there's 2 of them, DIVOOM and DivPix, whatever that stands for. But you can go in and use the app. Now once you're in here, they're going to give you a bunch of just standard pixel art creations that people have made over time, and you can just use one. You click on one and it will automatically show up on your Ditoo. Now once you're in the app, of course, you can just go in and watch all the things you can do in this app. It's just a lot of fun, and this is what I mean by a big toy. There's so many, you could spend so much time playing with this thing. You can go in and you can design your own pixel art, right? So you can just go in and you can draw whatever you want, make lines, whatever you want. You can change the color and just draw whatever you want and create your own designs. If you're an artist. I'm not an artist, obviously, so you can go in and do that. Now animation, you can go in and you can create animated pixel art. Again, I am not an artist. Now your text editor, you can go in and just write your own text. So we'll write Happy New Year. And once you're done, if I can spell New Year right, you can go in, and if you hit play, you can see Happy New Year right on your Ditto already. So very cool. Again, lots of fun things. Pixel coloring, you can go in and color, custom mode, task mode. They give you numbers where you can color stuff. So we'll color an elephant really quick. So each one of these has a number on it, and you can click on here and you can just start to color, right? And it's basically a giant coloring book that you can choose all different designs to color and do different things on here. So just again, a lot of fun on here, lots and lots of stuff that you can do. Now, once we back out, music, of course, they're going to give you some songs you can use to play. And this is where we'll take a look at the speaker on here. So if we were to play a song, we'll play this.
I said nothing can take away this blues, 'cause now
You can scroll through songs with your mechanical keyboard, which is very cool. It'll tell you the name of the song up here, the volume. So you can control the volume from the actual Ditto or from your phone. So very cool there. And look, the speaker on here, it's okay. Not a lot of bass on here at all, but it does get fairly loud. So just keep that in mind, not a lot of bass. And this is not meant for bass on here. Now you can go in and chat to other people that are using the app. There are the creators on here of the pixel art. You can contact them, do all kinds of stuff. Now DJ Mixer, this is pretty cool. You can go in and you can create different sounds. You can play different instruments. So if we want to play keyboard or piano, turn up the volume a little bit. Can't play the piano, obviously, but again, different things you can do. You can see the sound or the visual effects that the Ditto does give you. So very cool. All kinds of different things. So many things you can do. Play the saxophone, the trumpet. What are these called? Maracas? Maracas? Now, this is like a soundboard here. You can go in and you can create a beat. A little funky beat right there, a little funk. Boom! 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 All kinds of different things you can do and just have a good time. You can record. If you make a cool beat, you can record it. Go back out of here, go back to home. So lots and lots of different things. You can set an alarm and use this as an alarm clock. Put this on your nightstand or something like that. You can leave voice memos for yourself if you want to record voice memos. Sleep time, you can go in, and this is where you can customize when you are sleeping what kind of sounds you want. Underwater. And of course you can shut it off after a certain amount of time if you're just trying to sleep. Some people need that kind of noise to sleep. You can have a daily planner on here. You can set up notifications. Now you can also game on here, of course. Now you can game directly from the Ditto, or you can use your phone as a controller. So right now we're on Pixel Tetris. So if we were to hit go, you can see that it does work straight from your phone, or you can use this and you can use the joystick to switch the Tetris around. You can use the minus to drop it a little quicker. Again, if you want to switch it, you use the joystick to switch it around. So very cool. And again, if we want to play different games, I backed out. So we go back into games. Now again, different games, all kinds of different games you can play on here. Let's try this one. Dice game. Magic 8 Ball. I used to love this game as a kid. So again, you can control it from here. It's like Breakout. It used to be called Super Breakout or Breakout. You can control it from here. So just lots of fun, man. This thing. And the mechanical keyboard on here is very satisfying every time you use it. Stopwatch. You can use this as a stopwatch. So you can do different things on here. That is just a lot of fun. Celebration scoreboard. So this is kind of cool, right? You can, if you got friends over, well, not in these times, but eventually when we have friends over again, you can use this as a scoreboard and move it to keep track of whatever games you are playing. So again, lots and lots of fun things that you can do on here. Notifications, you can use this for social media and connect it to Twitter, Facebook, whatever you want, Instagram, and it will, your notifications will appear on the Ditto. So very cool voice commands. You can get the weather, lots of cool things. You can create your own channel, your own stuff to have fun with. You can change the color of pretty much everything on here. And again, your pixel art. If you go up top, there's Galleria. Galleria, is that how you say it? And if you just want to, if you like somebody's pixel art, you can just select it and it will start playing on there. So lots and lots of cool things. Again, you can message people. You got your own profile on here. You can download just PNGs and JPEGs from, you know, online somewhere. Like this is Soundcore's logo. And when I was making a video, you can download that and change that into pixel art that will appear on the Ditto. So very cool, lots and lots of fun things you can do on here. You can also have different visual effects on here. So you can see we get that effect. If you click on it, you can get just different effects and leave them in the background to accent a video, to just do whatever you want. I use these type of things on my live streams just in the background to give a little visual effect. And a lot of people comment on it. A lot of people enjoy it. It does take their attention a little bit. The Matrix right there. Just overall lots of fun. You can do this and play music at the same time. You can customize it. Again, this is where you see the Soundcore logo. I can add things to it and it will scroll through and just play it over and over again on a loop and just have that in the background. Very cool, man. I'm just a big fan of this stuff. Again, big toys, toys for adults. The DIVOOM Ditoo, the app is very cool. The Bluetooth speaker on here is a lot of fun. And you can scroll through everything on here and get into the games on here. So if you want to scroll through, we can start Tetris up and just start playing Tetris. Switch up the blocks. Overall, lots of fun. And again, a Bluetooth speaker, not a lot of bass, just keep that in mind. It does get pretty loud, but not a lot of bass on here. So, all right guys, the DIVOOM Ditoo, just a big toy for adults. I'm a huge fan of what DIVOOM is doing with their products. For me, they're just a lot of fun. I'll drop the link below, guys. Happy New Year, stay safe. I hope you have a fun night, but a safe night. And 2020 is finally over. It's been a rough year for all of us. And for those who have lost loved ones, my prayers are for you and your family. 2021 hopefully will be a better year. We got to keep going, keep trying to improve. Stay safe, guys. Enjoy the holiday, enjoy the new year. I'll see you soon. Peace.